Hi everyone, I'm the Booktastic Mom, and today I have the best Usborne books for nature, seasons, and weather. Thanks for coming by today, guys. I'm so excited to share these books with you. Today I'm going to cover nature, seasons, and weather, and all the books that we have from Usborne that cover those topics. And I can't wait to share them with you, so let's go! Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're interested in purchasing any of these books, please contact your Usborne Books and More consultant. And if you don't have one, I have a link down below. I hope you enjoyed looking at these books, and stay tuned on my channel for more Usborne book back to school hauls. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.